All right, I hope I've left you all with some fun ideas. Your creative juices are going and you're thinking, I can't wait to make all this fun stuff for my friends and family for Christmas this year. But if the thought of having to buy multiple products kind of stresses you out a little bit, do not fear. Young Living has this most amazing DIY kit. Have you not seen this yet? If you have not seen this yet, take a look. It's awesome. All right, so what you'll get in the DIY kit is enough supplies to make everything you need for a lotion, a lip balm, and a spritzer. And there are enough for 6 gifts for like the 3 of those items, 6 gifts, or if you want to split them up, 18 gifts, you guys. So the thing with the DIY kit is it's a 0 PV item, meaning that you won't get any points back on it and it won't count towards Essential Rewards. But you can order it with your Essential Rewards order to save on shipping. So let's look at what you get inside here. You get everything you need except for water and essential oils. You'll need to supply those on your own, but you get a little box that has everything you need for the spritzer. So cute little 1 ounce spritzer bottle. Comes with a spritzer base, which has some witch hazel in it. And then you'll add the essential oils. It has recipe cards too, so you don't even have to think. You just need to have the supplies and do it. All right, and then you have a little cute label that you can put on top of it. The next thing is a lip balm. The lip balm comes with these cute little containers and the lip balm base. You warm this up a little bit by using a blow dryer just to kind of heat the outside so it's a little bit soft. Scoop it out with a little wooden spoon. They even give you little wooden spoons to mix it all up. Put it in the container, add like some peppermint, maybe some orange and peppermint or lemon and peppermint. A cute little label on that. Easy, so easy. And then the last thing that they give you is a DIY lotion kit. So the lotion base is luxurious lotion. It's not watery, it's really thick. I actually just did a class with this, a party with this last week, and there was a little bit left over. It's really nice lotion. And then you get the cute container that goes with, plus a little label. My other labels fell on the floor. But you get little labels that you can write what essential oils you added to this. And you get 6 little bags. So you can put all of the stuff in the cute little organza bags. It's like a done deal. Order the kit, make the stuff, or have a little party with your friends. Make some like wassail or peppermint hot chocolate and invite your girlfriends over and have a fun night and make like these little gifts for each other. That would be even more fun. All right, you guys, I hope I have inspired you a little bit. And now, Merry Christmas. Mwah. Good night, everyone. Thanks for joining me.